One of the most common concerns that people have when they come to see a dentist after what is sometimes many years or decades is a sense of feeling embarrassed or ashamed. Sometimes that's a sense of feeling ashamed about their anxieties and fears, but often it's a sense of embarrassment about the condition of their teeth and their mouth. So the first thing I do if I see a new patient is to reassure them that I have zero emotional feelings about teeth. And in fact, my only concern and focus when I look in somebody's mouth is to have a look at the foundations. So how do we get the foundation, from the foundations, how do we build things so that your mouth is healthier, so you can eat better, so that you're out of pain, and so that you're more confident with your smile. And I think that's really important to remember. Dentists have seen teeth in all sorts of conditions, and we are not going to judge or lecture you. So please pick up the phone, send an email, make an appointment. There are lots of dentists out there who are going to be able to help you get your mouth healthy again.